Hello everyone, welcome to Riding the Market. Here at the end of the day, another tough day for me. Currently down 750 today, which is pretty damn poor. But yeah. I tried to take good trades. Nothing I did seemed to work, so it's just one of those weeks for me. I need to go away, reset, and try to see what I can do to improve my trading, improve my strategy, and yeah, just try to get towards at least break even. I was making profits with this strategy only a week ago, so I don't think at the moment there's any point in throwing it all away right now. But it has been an extremely poor week, with perhaps a win rate of less than 50%, definitely, closer to around 33%, I guess, something like that. So pretty poor. But yeah, just getting onto my trades. Let's bring up the control setter. Down $750 today. 3 losing trades. 3 bigger stop losses, which is why it's so much higher than usual. But it is what it is. I'm down currently 1,500. I don't know how much. I don't even know if I've got a lot of drawdown remaining on this account. But I did. Billinox have got a sale going on, so I did buy a Billinox eval, which is what I'll be trading on stream from now on. This account I'll be trading in my own time, just trying to work on some other things, just trying to enjoy myself trading again. Probably something on 1 minute time frame with a much smaller size. Rather than 5 contracts, I'll probably go 1 or 2 micros and try to take more trades over the course of the day, but just see different things and how they work. I don't know how long it will last because I'm pretty sure I've got around $700 in drawdown left, so I'll probably work with 1 micro and just see how long I can keep it and whether I can start making some profits with it with more trades a day, but still some good risk management. But onto the actual trades today. So my first trade of the day, I noticed that we were pushing up throughout the whole day, the whole morning. So as soon as we got this pullback, I got in long. My entry was a bit poor. I could have just entered here, but I think either way I would have got stopped out. My stop would have been here. I would have got stopped out here. Instead, my stop was a bit higher. My entry was a bit higher. My stop was a bit higher, but same result. I would have got stopped out. I would have taken the same. No matter what, I would have taken this as a long, and I would have got stopped out with my strategy. So there was nothing I could do about this. Everything in my strategy suggested that I should be long. In fact, I've ignored the market structure in London sessions, in previous sessions, and gone short. And I tried to improve that today by definitely taking it long, but still got stopped out. So no matter what I seem to do, whether it's a good decision or a bad decision, it tends to end with a loss. So I'm just going through one of those periods at a time. In the AM session, we pushed down early in the session, and then we came back to this low and we rejected it. So I thought, okay, I can put the stop at this level, look for a 1-to-1 of 80 ticks to form new lows. Instead, we pushed up quite strongly, quickly got me out of my trade, and then we've been doing a lot of chopping since then. So I heard on Nutty Bar's live stream that it's option expiry today, so that could be a reason for the choppiness. I don't really pay attention to that, but a lot of people do, so the market's been a bit iffy today, a bit unreliable, but that's fine. Again, maybe this one was a bit more of a risky trade with just one tap of that level, and yeah, perhaps I could have taken it at that level, so put an entry there with a stop maybe above this candle, look for a one-to-one like that. Maybe that would have worked, but I'm not too unhappy with that trade. It's just one of those market environments that's not going to work for me regardless. Another example of that is, so in the PM session, I was looking for a double top pattern, but instead what we got was we pushed it up, formed this bullish FVG, and then rejected out of there. So I entered there at that candle with a stop at this low, looking for a continuation into the liquidity above. Instead, got stopped out again. Double top formed later than I wanted it to, and yeah, the price is just not giving me what I want at all. So I just have to accept that and understand that, okay, fine, I'm just making a lot of mistakes, or my strategy is not working today. I'll have a look at this trade. I'm not sure about it. I've seen this trade work out a number of times, so I don't know if I'm counting this as my mistake or my strategy's mistake. I'll have a look through other similar trades, especially with this clear target above. But yeah, it is frustrating just to consistently be losing, and like it's one of those periods that you go through as a trader where if you just take an opposite trade every time, you would be in profit. Like literally every time, you'd be in profit. It's just one of those periods for me. Just do opposite of what I'm thinking, and then I would be fine. But yeah, it's just one of those times. So I have to have a look into my strategy. I'm not throwing it out just yet because it hasn't been long enough. 1, 2, like I've had 3 good weeks out of 4, and the 4th is a very bad week. I've had very good weeks as well, so I'm going to hold on to it and just continue trying to get it to profitability, as it has been in previous weeks, and just see where it turns up. If I have to change it, then it'll be frustrating. I'd have to start again. And I'd perhaps have to move away from 5-minute trading, which would be annoying because I struggle on the lower time frames. But reading this, like trying to read this and then consistently being wrong is just a lot harder, and your stops have to be a lot bigger to trade the 5-minute. So whenever I lose much bigger than I would on the 1-minute. So it's one of those where something to think about. But yeah, bad trading on the day. Okay trading on the day, bad trades in the end. I'll go away over the weekend, just relax, and yeah, try to get my strategy to somewhere where I like it. But that's all for me today. I'll call it here and come again next week. Bye now.